Hi everybody and welcome to Mock Learning. Here we usually learn computer sciences and then we propose many certified training. Francophone, ne vous inquiétez pas, ici les tutoriels sont faits en français et en anglais. Vous trouverez donc ici plusieurs tutoriels vous permettant de préparer vos différents examens de certification tels que Cisco, Microsoft, NSE, Linux, Oracle, MySQL et bien d'autres encore. Nos tutoriels sont montés par des instructeurs internationaux experts et agréés par ces différents organismes-là. And note that Mock Learning is 2 videos per week, every Wednesday and Friday. So if you don't want to miss any video here, just like, subscribe, share and comment, because one of our goals here is to make a large YouTube community. Finally, if you are beginning in computer sciences, don't worry, Mock Learning is the place to be. Why? Because here we explain the different concepts very easily, so we are going step by step. So don't worry, just listen very well and understand our different advice. Take care guys.